In today's video, I'm going to teach you Canva Tutorial for Beginners 2024. How to use Canva Pro free, digital products with Canva. We'll walk through a simple, practical workflow you can follow right away. And by the end, you'll have a clean design, polished text, and ready to share digital products. First, open your browser, go to canva.com, and log in. Once you're on the home page, click Create a design and choose any size that fits your project. For example, square posts are great for social media, while letter size or A4 works well for planners and printables. Don't worry, you can always resize later if needed. On the left panel, click Uploads and upload your photo from your computer. When it appears in your library, click the image to place it onto your canvas. With the photo selected, head to the top toolbar and click Edit Image. Scroll through the options and choose Background Remover, which is a Canva Pro feature. Give it a moment to process, and when you're happy with the result, click Apply to confirm the changes. If there are any leftover edges or details you don't want, go back to Edit Image, scroll again, and choose Magic Eraser, another Pro tool. Gently brush over any extra parts to clean them up. Then, click Apply. This step helps your subject stand out and keeps your design looking professional. Next, on the left side, click Apps and choose Magic Write to generate text. This Pro feature can draft headlines, taglines, or short descriptions. Once you've generated the text you like, click Text and add it to your design. Adjust the font, size, and color so it complements your image. Keep contrast in mind. Dark text on a light background, or vice versa, improves readability. If you want a head start on layout, click Templates and choose any Pro template during your free trial. Templates can save time and ensure consistent styling. Mix your photo, text, and template elements, then arrange your layout. You can also add multiple pages to build digital products like checklists, worksheets, or planners, keeping margins and spacing consistent across pages. When you're ready to share, click Share in the top right corner and select Template Link. This creates a special link that lets customers use your file as a template and make their own copy, while your original stays intact. Finally, click Download and choose PDF for multi-page products or PNG for high-quality image previews. Double-check settings like page range and quality, then export. And that's it. That's how to use Canva Pro free and create digital products step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tutorials.